Hello and welcome to Markets Daily, hosted by me, Jen Sanasie. On this show, we take a look at what's going on in the crypto markets and try to make sense of it for you. So, whether you're just watching what's happening in the markets or you're actively investing, I hope that you can get some alpha out of this show. Now, on today's episode, we are getting into the recent ApeCoin price action and the debut of ApeChain. Now, this has been a turnaround of events. ApeCoin surged 100% recently, hitting the highest price that we've seen since April, reigniting interest in both the coin and the broader Yuga Labs ecosystem. Now, Yuga Labs was all the rage in the previous NFT hype cycle, with celebrities and the crypto wealthy scooping up NFTs left, right, and center. Since then, though, Yuga Labs has promised a metaverse platform in other side and more developments in the ecosystem. So, what sent the coin soaring earlier this week? Well, Yuga Labs, the company behind the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs, launched ApeChain. The chain is layer 3 developed on Arbitrum 1, which is fully compatible with the Ape token. According to analysts, it also facilitates minting NFTs, trading, and decentralized applications. ApeChain bridges also went live recently, letting users transfer their tokens to the chain to automatically earn a staking yield on Ape, ETH, and stablecoins. Now, in a report to clients, 10x founder Marcus Thielen, who is a friend of the show, said ApeCoin has introduced an automatic yield mode, allowing users to passively earn returns by staking their Ape tokens. The new feature reinvests rewards automatically, maximizing yield over time. Hey everyone, did you know 52 million Americans own cryptocurrencies? That's not just a number, it's a movement, economic, social, and political. Decentralized finance, blockchain, and digital currencies are more than buzzwords, they are the future. This November, it's on us to show up and step up. We need to protect crypto to ensure it continues to fuel innovation and freedom for our families and businesses. Don't let this opportunity slip by. The future of crypto is on the line. Make your voice heard this November and pledge to vote now at standwithcrypto.org/pledge. The price surge is particularly noteworthy because ApeCoin struggled throughout 2023, having dropped nearly 60% from its highs. However, the debut of ApeChain seems to have breathed new life into the token and the broader ecosystem. Folks on crypto Twitter are very excited about this. Sumit Patel wrote, "Come back to Bored Ape Yacht Club. If you left the club, the time is now. ApeFest was seamless. ApeCoin is the people's chain. People building everywhere. Strongest cult ever, and you know it." While Greg Solano said, Layer 0 crushed this. ApeCoin being an omni-chain fungible token opens up a lot of doors. Expect many more tokens to adopt the OFT standard. Now, the new chain is creator-centric and uses Layer 0's omni-chain fungible token standard. Layer 0 is an interoperability protocol that enables applications to move data across blockchains. So the integration hopes to enable seamless cross-chain transfers to enhance utility and liquidity across multiple chains. Now, it seems like investors are very optimistic here. Just by looking at those two tweets, there are several hundred more on Twitter. Many believe that this is a turning point for both ApeCoin and Yuga Labs, with a series of products expected to launch soon on ApeChain. All eyes are watching Yuga Labs to see whether this new blockchain can deliver. Can the chain scale efficiently? That is the question here. If the network can handle large transaction volumes while keeping costs low, we could see more upward momentum for ApeCoin as we head into 2025. But the question here is, can the ecosystem maintain momentum? It seems like every day we discuss a new layer 1, layer 2, layer 3 that is looking to address scaling challenges by designing networks that can handle higher volumes at lower costs. The question here is, will ApeChain be able to attract developers who build products that bring new users into the ecosystem? And lastly, will those users stick around? The OG apes seem to still be around and they seem to be pretty bullish about this development, but can they beat the drum for another ape hype cycle bigger than the one we saw last time? Only time will tell. We'll continue to track the developments on ApeChain and ApeCoin right here on this show. That is a wrap for Markets Daily today. Thank you so much for watching and coming on this journey with me. If you love listening to this show, subscribe to the CoinDesk Podcast Network. That's available on all podcast platforms. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and we'll see you tomorrow.